You know, I always like to show people, because people ask about like scars and how they look, and especially like after years. I last saw you in 2016. Do you remember her? She was here in 2016.
No, I don't remember.
You don't remember?
No.
Oh my God, you're making her feel bad. No kidding.
It's funny.
So,
I think I remember that scar though. It's
So,
the
do you
face,
remember-
the hair does not come to me for you.
I think you changed your hair and
Yeah,
got
yeah.
a beard, man. Too. I don't know. It's
Yeah.
been like a long time. But I remember your injury. I remember your hand, and I remember the splint that I made for you, and I remember how we tried to make it into a static progressive to pull, and I remember how you left that shit in the car and it melted.
No,
I remember
no.
that shit.
That wasn't me.
But look at the scar. So when you look at scars give over time. Like, it's gotten softer, it's melted in, but if you have true adhesions underneath, it never got better. So go ahead and make a fist. So this is a clear example of an extensor tendon adhesion. So the tendons come back through the hand. So when we're looking, relax your fingers. I can bend your big knuckles down, right, passively. I could bend them down, right? So they're not bad. They're a little stiffer than I remember. Because I remember we used to pull it down and we could pull your fingers down a little bit. But yeah, they're pretty tight. Yeah, this one being the worst. So that one, yeah. So you see, I can hold the MPs down, but when I go to bend the IPs, they don't go, right? You can feel that it's tethered down right here, like it's stuck. So yeah, man, let's have surgery.
Go for it?
Yeah.
Okay.